What's up, guys? Happy Friday, happy Friday. It's February 23rd, 2024. I'm filming this today. It's in the morning. I got caught up last night with some shenanigans, so I'm doing this before the market opens. We're going to talk about the first six bars, leg two, little leg one, leg two moves, leg three, leg four. We're going to talk about the legs and the market cycle. The reason I make these videos is because talking about the market really helps me, and these are things I wish I knew right when I started trading. We have a super strong gap up. One thing I want to say is we've been trading within this range. This is last week's high, this is last week's low. So we were at the highs, and then we were at the lows, and then we had a wedge bottom consolidation, breakout, rip into the last week's high, and we're breaking out. So that's the context for this breakout, is that we came off range lows, we ripped through the middle of the range. This is one big breakout bar, and now we're trending higher. Bar one is bad follow through. I was really skeptical with seeing bar one. It kind of messed me up over here. Bar one is a big bear bar. Bar two is bad for the bears, good for the bulls. 3 and 4 are strong follow through. It's good follow through with a strong breakout above the last week's high. Bar 5 is bad follow through, something we don't want to see. However, looking back on the day, obviously the bars are printed. My analysis is different now. When we have a big gap up, this is also considered a bar. And what is a bar? It's a spike. And then what happens after a spike? We get a pullback, and that starts the channel phase. So I was looking for shorts around here, or a reversal, like double top higher highs, three pushes up, thinking this would be a good tag. But looking back, I think the better read is spike, bar one being a pullback, and then bar two starts, and then bars 2, 3, and 4, we start the channel, and we can see that channel. So that would be the better read. I read it wrong yesterday. So yeah, sell, rip into the new highs, bad follow through, market consolidates, it goes sideways, and then it becomes a small pullback bull trend. The reason small pullback bull trends are extremely strong and relentless is because of traders like me thinking the market's always in reverse. We kept getting short, so we have to keep buying back our shorts. I got long right here, and then I got out on this bar here because that's 3 pushes up, bad follow through late in the day. But what I mean is, it's very easy to get short. I think just yesterday's video, I was like, I'm looking for reversals around the highs and the lows. But look at the context of the reversal. Huge bull bar, and bulls are buying. So maybe not the best to look for a reversal until a strong trend line break like this, or even 2 or 3 bars below the EMA. Something I keep telling myself is, look somewhere. See? Well, I don't have to be the first person to get short, because look at these bars. They're below the EMA and it kept going down, so why do I need to be the one to catch an extra point around here, It's very obvious, 2 strong bear bars. So I tell myself that when I'm looking for reversals. I didn't keep looking for reversals as I usually do. I got trapped here, got out, and then I saw this bull flag breaking out, and I just started scaling in like a madman, and then I slammed the position here because I wanted to. If I can figure out it's a trend day, regardless of where we're at, I do like to slam position size because these days don't come around often. So I'm trying to make this a little bit quicker because the timing's off, and it is a small pullback bull trend. So that just means every new high, bulls are taking profits, and bears are trying to get short, and they get trapped holding a gap open below the EMA. Where are the 2 closes below the EMA? There are literally right here 2 closes below the EMA. So if you were going to get short, you've got to be. I really don't think this is the worst short. However, you can't be stubborn and keep scaling in. This looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. But then look at the context. Breakout, pullback, bull flag, triangle, bigger triangle here, and we break out, start trending higher all day. Leg 1, leg 2 moves. Let's see if the gap got a measured move. I just remembered I made coffee. It's probably going to be cold, so I need to go get coffee soon. The gap did not get the measured move. It is pretty big. What about from yesterday's high? Okay, so if you take out not from the bar but from yesterday's high, it does get the gap to the tick. So that's interesting. This is the first pullback, so that's where I put the bar. So that's a major leg 1, leg 2 move. Where's the delete button? No. And then within here, we just start to measure strong pulls, wait for the pullback. You could get out here, wait, or you could just have your stop below here. You will get tagged eventually if you want to sit through a 2-hour trade. You would get tagged almost 3 hours, so if you're scaling in, I don't think it'd be that bad. The position size might be worth it. Or you could scalp out though. Here's 3 bars, deep pullback, so it's more of a range play. Buy low, sell high at the high of the range. This is also 3 pushes down, micro pushes down, 1, 2, 3, wedge bottom. It's really hard to count wedge tops in a trend. We have to identify gaps, that bulls are keeping gaps open, and that it's not a range bound environment. So if you get short, you get trapped, which is how bull trends continue to go, is because they trap trap bears. Leg 1, leg 2 moves. Very small leg 1, leg 2 moves. This is more of a breakout day, so I would actually, I think it'd be better to look for like this is a breakout here. That was met. This is break. This is a bull flag 2. It's also a range. That was met. This was the bull flag I was looking at. So you could do a leg 1, leg 2 like that. See, this is a really nice leg 1, leg 2. I think. I actually scaled it on bar 53 because this is a trend line break, so that makes a bull flag. Where? Oh. See, so pull, first bar breaks the trend line. That's a bull flag on a lower time frame. It gets continuation. 3 pushes up. Nicest bars late in the trend become climactic, and price goes sideways. So yeah, the leg 1, leg 2 moves are funny because I realize I've been saying on range days leg 1, leg 2 moves don't work, and I've been saying on trend days it doesn't matter about leg 1, leg 2 moves because it always gets hit. I was re-listening to videos. I'm like, wait, on the only 2 types of day we have, I keep saying it doesn't matter. So leg moves matter, but you have to understand how to work them. I think is what I've been saying it, misconstruing it, toaster strudeling it. I haven't had a toaster strudel in so long. Okay, so you see what I mean? Like, so this is a leg 1, leg 2 move, but the price action is a breakout. We are breaking out. So I think it'd be better to hold, and you can do the same target because this is literally a leg pullback thing. Then you would get less. So maybe if you want to have both up, you can check early profit target, later profit target. Where are we in the market cycle? Because yeah, you guys have to practice your leg 1, leg 2 moves. So when you do a leg 1, leg 2 move, you start it here. See bar 31. That's the first pullback. So that's where I put the thing, and it's met. Pull here. Now what's challenging about this is these are 3rd and 4th flags, and I always say like I like to fade 3rd and 4th flags, and I do, and I tried. I got crushed, but it is a small pullback bull trend, so we have to treat the day differently. And yeah, this was the wedge top I was looking at. However, bar 28 had really bad follow through, so it is what it is. Live and you learn. I hope we can learn faster through if you guys can learn off my mistakes, I can learn out through your comments. It'll be great. Well, I'll make money and we'll go to Ibiza and buy Lamborghinis and eat toaster strudels. I don't even like toaster strudels like that, so I'm not talking about toaster strudels anymore. Where are we in the market cycle? Breakout is the reset. Pullback is the start of the channel, and then we channel, and then we go range bound. So we had the whole market cycle in one day. Breakout, channel, range. Now we wait for a new breakout either side, and then we go range bound. Where are we in the higher time frames? I'm trying to wrap it up because the the bell's gonna ring soon. I can't believe this trend line is getting respected. I know it's kind of flimsy because the EMA is right under it, but if you guys saw from ages ago, like, I don't remember how, I just projected the trend line. I was like, let's just see if it gets respected, and it is. And what's interesting and scary is since that's getting respected, look at this trend line. I'm trying to make this. I'm trying to make this look visually good. It's not the real trend line, so you guys can see what I'm looking at. You guys see this trend line? We're kind of trading at the high of the channel, because if this trend line gets respected, why wouldn't the higher trend line get respected? I'm not gonna leave this on there because I get overwhelmed with too many trend lines and start trading silly. At the end of the day, I trade the price action. I just like to. It just kind of always amazes me when higher time frames respect trend lines because price action is fractal. So it's cool to apply the same exact thinking on different charts, different time frames. Price action is fractal. It's a kaleidoscope. They fold in and out of each other. All bullish channels get bear breakouts. All bear breakouts get bullish breakouts. All bear channels get bullish breakouts. Maybe that looks confused. That probably just sounded. That probably shouldn't. Hold on. Okay, that was a little confusing what I just said. All bullish channels get bear breakouts, and that's the truth, because if they didn't, then they would go up forever. It would never go up. See? Bull channel, bear breakout. Look. Bear channel. Bull breakout. So you see? So when I say all bull channels get bear breakouts, all bear channels get bull breakouts. Wow, whoa, look at this resistance line. The lines are legit. I just pulled them to get the point across, but look, that is crazy how it's. So we're trading back into this bullish channel now. I'm gonna delete this. That's interesting. See what happens. Where's the overnight price action? Oh, we're trading under it. Okay. So here is another channel. You guys can start to see how this stuff can get really confusing, just adding it up over and over again. Hope you guys are studying. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are doing good with your Apex accounts. I am trading extremely small. I'm trying to walk in this payout and just tie a ribbon on it. Have a good day. Use your stop loss. I'm drinking coffee. Hope you guys are drinking coffee. Drink some wine this weekend. Study some charts. Drink some wine. As long as you can, drink wine. 21 and up. Have a good weekend, everyone. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all the comments. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.